We are here today to rage against the organized murder called inevitable killing, to remember the innocent young victims called side effect damage of a just war. We will not pass it by as a misfortune, as tragedy one could not prevent, for this is not fate. 163 children had been killed already by Israeli attack forces in the 2 passing weeks. And they will not be the last until Israel is stopped and disarmed. It is not fate. It is a reality created by people, by judges who legalize institutional military terror, by leaders who evoke it, by everyone who blindly accepts it.